Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the exploratory testing. Exploratory testing, we have to explore the requirement. That means first we need to understand the application completely, then proceed with the testing. The actual meaning of the exploratory testing means to understand the application and identify the all possible scenario, then proceed with the test the application. First understand the application and identify all possible scenarios. Basically, exploratory testing means application is ready, but there is no requirement mentioned for that thing. Test engineer first understand the application, then proceed with the testing by exploring the application. Like first of all, when we go to any organization and without going to the requirement document, we get an application. We are proceeding with the testing regarding the application. Like we are exploring the application, what is exactly happening into that application. This is come under the exploratory testing, means we are exploring the application by going to each and every component, like how it's behaving and how it's working, come under the exploratory testing. Exploratory testing is done when there are no requirement at all or requirement are missing. And first we need to understand why the requirement is missing and why we need to perform the exploratory testing. First, we understand why the requirements are missing. Because if any product is on the development phase from the last 20 years and they hire a new QA now, and so it is impossible to person to get the requirement from the scratch. So far, the understanding and the flow the application, they do the exploratory testing, and then at that time there may be a chance there is some requirement missing, because at that time from the last 20 years they don't get each and every requirement, and so there's chance to miss some requirements are missing. Then the question arises how we perform the exploratory testing. Now we discuss how we do the exploratory testing when we get the application. Basically, when we use any application, for example, if we get an application first, we proceed with the component testing, means we are checking the component one by one. It is nothing but exploratory testing, because we are understand the application behavior. We are testing the component. There are some drawbacks also. Some of the drawbacks are also for the exploratory testing. Now we are going to discuss about the exploratory testing drawback. The major drawback of the exploratory testing, we are exploring the application. It can also be happen. We consider the feature as a bug. For example, we are going to testing a login, like sign up page. There is a login page. There is a functionality required by the client, then they want username, password and employee code as well. But when we are going to testing and we didn't find any document for the testing, we find that there's only two fields are required, username and password. We mention it as bug that employee code is not required for the login page. That can be a drawback for the exploratory testing. Then the exploratory testing is also a time consuming, because we are first exploring the things to proceeding with the testing. If any feature is missing, we will never come to know. If like there's any feature which is missing in the components and we don't know about that feature, and we are exploring the system, and if that feature is missing, not available into the application, we will never come to know that that feature is missing, and we don't report any bug to the developer regarding that. This is the disadvantage of the exploratory testing. Thank you.